What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, thank God this package got here before I left for my trip tomorrow morning. This is from WWE Shop. And this is another 500 levels shirt, but this is, let's get all the tags off first. We got the WrestleMania 3 main event of Hulk Hogan and Andre the Giant. Let's do this. So you have Andre and Hulk in WrestleMania 3. As you know, I do have it on DVD. Right there, Hulk Hogan and Andre. We also have Randy Savage versus Ricky Steamboat, which was not on the shop. But I do think this will go to the proceeds will go to his family. So you know I had to buy it. WrestleMania 3 t-shirt, and there's nothing on the back. I wish this was like a match card shirt, but it's the innumerable object versus the united force. So you have the fire in the background, the electricity, and Hulk. I just can't believe he's gone, man. Can't believe it. So you have Hulk Hogan. And then on Andre, it's like a bluish purple. Like, you can't see it in the shirt, but you can see it. I mean, you can't see it on camera, but you can see it in the shirt. And then you have Versus, which is purple as well. So, very, very nice shirt. So, I'm going to be taking this to New York as well. And I'm going to be wearing a Jelly Roll shirt for Saturday and a Bray Wyatt shirt for Sunday for the Wyatt 6 match. So, we have here Hulk Hogan and Andre the Giant WrestleMania 3 shirt. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.